Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Jagger, creator of the Spine Specialist, which is the world's first and only robotic laser-enhanced spinal decompression table for back and neck pain. Our clinical facility is the headquarters and the development site for this table. And with this coronavirus pandemic that we have going on here, I wanted to go through a few of the things that we're doing at the clinic to keep you safe as a patient population, and some things that you can consider to do at home to try to help this pandemic calm down a little bit quicker. So why don't you follow me and I'll take you on a tour. So another thing we're doing to protect your health during COVID-19 is we're using gloves. Now the reason for that is the glove surface doesn't absorb like the skin does. It's easier to wash. Also, disposable gloves, you've got the ability to throw them away after every use. It protects you, it protects us, and it's very easy. But don't worry, I'm not that type of doctor. We're also very vigilant in monitoring our patient population for symptoms and risk factors. So, a couple things that I can mention is if you do have some symptoms, if you feel fever, cough, sneezing, sniffles, anything like that, or you've traveled out of the country in the last 14 days, we asked you maybe, if you can, to save your visit for another couple weeks when things are all cleared up. But if you do come in and you do feel the need to cough, there's a couple tips we can give you. Cough into your sleeve. So don't cough into your hand, don't cough into the air, cough into your sleeve. Because if you cough into the air, we might end up having to take some countermeasures. Jeez. So we're also being very vigilant about cleaning the tables after every use. Now that brings me to a little bit of a topic and tip about cleaning products. So as you know about chiropractic, we're very natural health based. The modalities we use, adjusting with our hands or various instruments, we like natural health. We like to do things the natural way. So a lot of us tend to gravitate towards cleaning products that are more natural, like say vinegar and water. It's a very good one. But in this case, it's not quite enough. With the threat of COVID-19, we've got to bring out the big guns. Lysol wipes, Clorox wipes, things that are bleach based, that kill pretty much everything. That's what we need to use in this case. So unfortunately, they don't smell quite as good as vinegar and water. In fact, when we use the vinegar and water, this place smells like fish and chips and it's great. But I guess if we got to use these for a little while, it saves the vinegar for me. That is amazing. Who's got the halibut? So the other thing we're doing here is to maintain cleanliness of the pillows. We need the pillows because they're nice and soft and they're nice and comfortable for the patients having treatment on the bed. So what we're doing is we are taking the pillow, putting it inside a bag, like so. So when you lay down, you'll be laying on a nice plastic surface. And when we need to clean the plastic surface, it's nice and easy. We don't have to worry about fabric. We just worry about cleaning the plastic, drying it off, so it is nice and sanitized for you when you lay down on the bed. And we're doing the same thing with the beds.
I'll be here.
Now, we tried to beg the patients.
Most of it gone.
I can't breathe in this thing. Now, the other thing we're doing to protect your health and our health during this COVID-19 situation is at times we're wearing masks. Now, the value of a mask is they found that COVID-19 is spread through sputum as the main thing. Now, this protects from us if we had symptoms, and it protects us from you if you had symptoms that you didn't know about. So, Alex, I told you to fire that laser across her nose, not up it. Now, I know this video has been a little bit ridiculous. I in no way mean to make light of the situation that we find ourselves in with COVID-19. It's a very serious thing, and there are very serious consequences for a lot of people. But what I thought we could all use was maybe a little bit of a laugh and a little bit of good information. And I'd like to let you know that at Spine Advanced, we care more than just about your back health. On a global front, we care about your back health, we care about your mental health. And a little topic on that is, with all this isolation that we're going to be experiencing and have experienced, there are people out there that are isolated to begin with. So if we can, let's do a good job to reach out to those people. Some of these older relatives, give them a call. Some of them that are enabled with respect to FaceTime and things like that. Make sure you keep in contact. So even though we have to social distance, please still be social, because it will help everybody feel a little bit better. It'll help everybody feel a little bit more connected, feel a little bit more safe, and a little less worried. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please feel free to contact us for anything. If you're someone that just needs some contact, maybe we got some resources that we can help you out with. So everybody stay safe, everybody stay healthy, and we'll see you healthy on the other side of this. Thanks very much for watching and, for participating in the ridiculousness.